Good morning. My name is Jim DiMattei. I'm one of the owners here at Derotic Emergency Equipment. This morning, we're introducing a new line of product. It's called the Seatbelt Lock. It's from seatbeltlock.com. It's going to be available on our online platform at themez.com. What it is it slides over an existing buckle in the vehicle so that someone in custody can't get to the release and get their seatbelt off. Basically, it's just a little button right here, a little hole. You slide a handcuff key in there and it unlocks the buckle. This has many applications, could be used as psychiatric and or someone with special needs. We're gonna have a little fun this morning. None of my guys have installed one of these. Basically, it's a pair of scissors to open up the bag, some blue Loctite, and a number 25. Good. Okay, so we have the model SBT101-2. This is for a Troy Products seatbelt lock. So we're gonna invite our friend Chua in here. Chua's gonna put this on for us and we'll see how long it takes him. Chua? There you go, my friend. Thank you. You're welcome. Basically, it just slides right over. The bolt and universal bolt go across the back. We put a little dab of blue Loctite on the bolt. But I noticed you didn't even look at the instructions. You just kind of guess?
Simple plug and play.
Simple plug and play. Okay. Chua did a lot of Legos as a young man.
I love Legos.
There we go. Clean it up, plug it in there. Thank you, Chua. Chua's moved on to the other side there. He's already got the other one installed. Took him about a minute. We're going to get everyone involved here at Derotic. I'm going to bring in my shop manager, Chris. He's going to be simulating someone in custody, and we're going to put him in the seatbelt here, and then we're going to see if he could get out with the new seatbelt lock. So basically, I'm going to take a seatbelt or a handcuff key here, unlock my new handy dandy lock. Christopher, and he goes. Obviously, I'm not doing this the way that some police officers would, but we're just simulating. Okay, he's locked in. We're gonna pretend Chris is a wily guy. He gets free, and he can't get to his seatbelt lock. Not without this. Boop. Look us up, DeroticLLC.com, or find us on themez.com.
For more information on Derotic Emergency Equipment and the services we offer, contact us. 844-433-7684 or email info@deroticllc.com.